Hey y'all, happy holidays. So welcome back. So today we're going to be doing kind of like a DIY, not really a wig review because I actually bought these units with my own money. So it's not really a wig review, but I know you ladies have been seeing the trend of headband wigs, and I got the idea from my girl Love It or Leave It. I was watching one of her videos and she had did a DIY headband wig using a half wig. So ladies, if you are not familiar with headband wigs, it's a big trend that is going on right now. It's a quick hairdo where you basically have a half wig and you have a headband covering that portion of the half wig where we would normally leave our hair out, but you could put a headband on, a scarf, or something decorative just to cover up the hairline. Okay, so I have two units right here. I purchased these from, I believe I got these from Wig Types. Yeah, I'll have the link for you ladies. But like I said, I purchased a couple of units, and I also have some headbands which I got from Walgreens. So ladies, these are really cute, and actually I paid $5.99 for these headbands. I was looking on Amazon and they were charging like $20 for these. So ladies, check your local Walgreens or your beauty supply store for some headbands. All right, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get the unit taken out of the package, and I'm going to get the headbands untied, and I'll be back. So okay ladies, so I have the first unit. This is from Ultra. This is part of their quick weave, and this is Dominican Blowout Relaxed. Okay, and I got it in the number 1. So this is how the unit looks. All right, so since we are doing since this is a half wig, you definitely want to have your hair smoothed back into a ponytail, have your ends tucked under. And then I just did some little edges. It's not mandatory, but you know your girl was extra, so I wanted me some edges. All right, so I'm going to take my half wig, okay, and it does have adjustable straps in there, and it's a comb. And I'm just going to take this first comb and I'm going to put it right at the base of my hairline, kind of behind my edges, slide that under, and then I'm just going to pull the unit down, and I'm going to get it situated on my head. Okay ladies, so I have the unit on, and I had to grab some hairpins because I need some extra security because the unit felt like it was sliding back a little bit. So I just added 2 hairpins on the side for extra security. So this is how the unit looks. Okay, so of course you can see the indentation because I don't have my hair smoothed over it. So we are going to grab one of the headbands, and I'm just going to lay it right across. Oh y'all, this is pretty. This is like instant. Oh man, this is like instant glamour in like 5 minutes. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, so let me just grab my comb just a little bit because this is a synthetic unit, so I don't want to too much curl and tangle the hair. But y'all, this is how you can achieve the instant headband look. All right, and I think I paid this unit, I don't know, I think this unit probably was under $20. It wasn't a lot for this unit, but yeah, this is how it looks. I'll turn around to the side, and that's the back. Real cute, y'all. Really cute. Okay, so let me grab the next unit. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm back with the next unit. So this is from Ultra as well. This is called Stunner. And you know I had to give me a pop of color. All right. And as you all can see, Stunner has a lot of curls for the girls. All right. So this also is a half wig. So you got your comb right there. You got a comb in the back. And you got your adjustable strap. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to place that comb right behind my hairline. And I'm going to get it pulled down in the back. And then I'm also going to secure it with some hairpins on the side once I get it situated on my head. Alright ladies, so as you all can see, I have Stunner on, and this is beautiful as well. I'm loving all of these curls. Y'all know curls are just so like girly and instant glam as well. I love, love, love curls. Okay, so next you want to take your headband and you're going to place it right on top of that hairline on the half wig, and voila, she is gorgeous. Yes, you guys know I'm feeling this color. Y'all know I love me some good old blonde. All right, so I'm going to turn to the side, and then I'll turn to the back. She's nice and full of yummy curls. Okay, ladies, so like I said, this is a big trending hairstyle. We are still in quarantine. We are still looking for simple, cute, cheap, and hairstyles to go to. So I definitely recommend this method. You may even have half wigs and headbands in your possession now. So you don't even have to go run into the stores or online. You have everything you need right at home at your fingertips. So I thoroughly encourage you to give this a try. I also want to point out, it's really funny to me how hairstyles, beauty, fashion, all that evolves, because I remember back in the 90s growing up, when I used to watch like the black actress and the black entertainers like Regine off Living Single. She used to wear the headband wigs. Gina from Martin wore them. Even Whitney Houston wore them a lot. So it's just funny to see it come back full circle with a twist though. All right. So ladies, if you're feeling this, definitely check out these units. I want to thank you for rocking with me. Remember to stay safe, sanitize, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.